Hey guys, I just wanted to give you guys a quick demo installation of the AVS Vent Visors. We're going to do it on this F150 and let's get at it. First thing they're going to want us to do is they're going to want us to clean it with these alcohol wipes they provide. So we're going to go ahead and clean the areas that we install the vent visors. So you can quickly wipe the area down and the alcohol will clean any dirt that's left on the vehicle. I want to take this time to thank you guys for watching my videos. If you like my content, you can push like down below. And if you want to see more of this content, you can subscribe to my channel. All 4 games, Chris Rotar. Now once you get that all wiped and clean, you're going to want to let that sit for at least a minute. But in the meantime, we're going to take our vent visors out. There's a bit of prepping that we need to do. So first you got to take off the bit of plastic they have on the front. And then on the back side you're going to see this double-sided red tape, which you're going to take off the red to expose the tape. It's pretty simple stuff. It's awesome. You can do this at home. There's no need to go to a mechanic shop and get this installed. You can just do it yourself, quick and easy. So there's our first one. Now to tell which side these go on, they actually have it labeled on the inside. This will be my front right. Now these front pieces, they have a tiny little niche here, and that goes behind your mirror casing. You want to make sure that you do that. So the vent visor is going to run you $110 a Canadian Tire. You go to the automotive section or desk and you ask the attendant to order you some vent visors. You're going to tell them your make and model and they'll get those ordered. It takes about 3 days. Well worth it, $110. Can't go wrong. Okay, let's install the front. So this will be my left front. I like to have the window down so I can slip. The little plastic piece has to slip behind there just enough to get it to stay there. And then you line up your end back here. And you want to go right above the window edge. Just like that. Just like that. And then you're going to want to push to solidify the vent visor. Don't run your hands along the edge. It's very sharp. Okay, quick and easy, done. Let's do our next one. So again, it's labeled in the back of the vent visor, RF for right front. So we'll just kind of pull that back a little bit there, just to slip that little niche in. line up your top. Make sure it's nice and even. And then just push her on. Nice and hard. Doesn't want to stick. Give it a good push. This one's not wanting to stick for me. I'm going to give it a quick wipe. There we go. Now we're going to do our backs, which are fairly easy. Just once you get your red tape off, these are also labeled left rear. For LR would be left rear. Okay, so we'll do our right rear, and what we're going to do is our trimmed edge that is square is going to be in the front, and then the curved edge will be in the back. And you want to keep it in line with the other vent visor. Make sure they line up together the same. When you stand back, it looks straight. Okay, again, so it's labeled LR for left rear, and we're going to make sure the curve is pointing to the back of the truck. And again, you want to line it up with the other visor to make sure they look the same. Okay, that concludes the install demolition for the AVS Vent Visors. I highly recommend them for anybody that doesn't want rain coming in their vehicle or just wants to ventilate more air into the vehicle when it's hot. They're a great little item. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a like down below. And if you want to see more content, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys.